Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and service. Make sure your phone is 5G capable and your SIM is provisioned for 5G. Then, enable 5G in Settings Mobile Network so the device can use higher bands. Once done, subscribe or reload a Globe 5G data plan via the Globe One app or *143 hash and verify your data balance. Finally, turn on mobile data and to test pure 5G performance. Disable Wi-Fi. This gets you into the network quickly and reliably. Next, optimize your phone and location to lock onto Globe 5G. In network type, choose 5G Preferred or 5G/4G Auto so the phone can roam between bands. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode for 5-10 seconds to force re-registration with nearby towers. You should also move closer to a window, balcony, or higher floor. 5G millimeter and mid-band signals attenuate indoors. Finally, close heavy background apps to free bandwidth and run a speed test to confirm throughput. To finish, manage your 5G session and know what to do when things fail. Monitor consumption in the Globe One app and enable data alerts or auto-reload to avoid service interruption. If 5G drops or won't appear, reboot the phone, reset the SIM, and confirm APN is internet. Globe. Com. PH. These quick steps fix most issues. If problems persist, contact Globe support and provide your device model and IMEI, plus screenshots of signal and settings. This speeds troubleshooting and restores service fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.